Valia left.
Let's go, Funny-O! Let's go! That's my sister!
Let's go! That's my sister!
Let's stop.
Good evening, everyone. Standing here today to share love, not just because I'm graduating, but because of everything it took to get here. These past 4 years have tested us in ways we never expected. We have faced pressure, uncertainty, and times when we felt worn out. But through it all, we kept going. And the best part, we never walked alone. Whether it was a friend offering a kind word, a teacher staying after class to help, or a family reminding us where we started, there was always someone helping us hold on. For me, there were days I wanted to give up when getting out of bed felt impossible. But every morning my dad made sure I got up, reminding me why I was doing this, to earn my diploma and make him proud. And when things got heavy, I leaned on God. In my lowest moments, He gave me strength and peace. I know I couldn't have made it without Him guiding me and holding me. To our parents and families, your love, sacrifices, and support are the foundation of this moment. Thank you for believing in us, even when we doubted ourselves. You've given us more than words can say. To our teachers, you did more than just teach. You challenged us, inspired us, and helped shape who we are today. Thank you for choosing to show up in prayer. Class of 2025, we did it. We've grown stronger, wiser, and more determined. We're not the same people who walked into high school 4 years ago. We're better. And as we step into this next chapter, we carry every lesson, every memory, and every bit of support that got us here. The future is ours now. Let's go out there and make it count. As the song says by Wiz Khalifa, so up we go out. That's how it's supposed to be. Living young and wild.
Hey, woo!